Could life found in Venus's clouds actually have originated right here on Earth? It sounds like science fiction, but the theory of panspermia suggests it's possible. Panspermia is the theory that life is spread throughout the cosmos via celestial objects like asteroids and comets. Impacts can eject surface material containing the building blocks of life into space, carrying these, quote, seeds to other worlds. For decades, the scientific debate focused on whether this life transfer could have occurred between Earth and Mars, in both directions. The recent controversy surrounding possible microbial life in Venus's dense clouds has expanded this discussion to include Venus as a potential recipient of Earth-originated life. To explore this idea, researchers used the Venus Life Equation, or VLE, a framework for estimating the likelihood of life on Venus. A recent study by JHUAPL and Sandia National Laboratories used the VLE to model this possibility, predicting that Earth-ejected material could allow life to briefly exist in Venus's clouds. Similar to the Drake equation, the VLE breaks down the probability of life L into three factors: origination O, robustness R, and continuity C. Any organic material must survive the immense shock, heat of impact, and the extreme radiation and vacuum of space during interplanetary transfer. The team's computations then focused on the final stage: how organic material would fare upon arriving at Venus. Computer modeling and meteorite studies suggest organic material can survive ejection and space travel, but it must also be successfully dispersed in or above Venus's clouds to survive arrival. The model focused on fireball meteorites, or bolides, and how they would ablate, explode, and fragment in Venus's dense atmosphere. The researchers used the quote, pancake model, a semi-analytic method describing a bolide's fragmentation as it passes through the atmosphere. By applying the pancake model and prior studies, they calculated the total number of bolides delivered from Earth or Mars to Venus's clouds. When a bolide explodes in an airburst, aerodynamic drag spreads the fragments horizontally, forming a pancake of dispersed material, which the team refers to as cells. Their calculations suggest hundreds of billions of cells may have been transferred from Earth to Venus's clouds, with potentially hundreds of billions remaining viable. The best estimate their model produced was about 100 viable cells dispersed in Venus's clouds per Earth year. Over the past 1 billion years, this could amount to a staggering 20 billion cells transferred from Earth to Venus. While the model has uncertainties, it demonstrates that panspermia between Earth and Venus is indeed possible. If life is found in Venus's clouds, it may have originated here on Earth.